So track fans, welcome back to Running Factory. And in case this on the YouTube channel, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now we have something very serious at the same time very shocking about Shelly and Fraser that I want every fan of athletics and every fan of Shelly and Fraser to get to know about this, because it is very surprising, at the same time very shocking, at the same time unexpected. We all know that a news broke out recently, quoting Shelly and Fraser that she will be retiring after the Olympics. I know you all have seen a post or probably come about a video like that saying that Shelly and Fraser is going to retire right after Paris Olympic 2024. But guess what, track fans? The narrative is different now. It is different when I finally saw somebody explain everything. And this is what somebody commented about her retirement. He said, Shelly is not retiring after the Olympics. She said it her last Olympic, but she will still continue to do other meetings even after the Olympics. This was done in an interview. So what this person is talking about is that yes, Shelly is going to stop running after the Olympics 2024 Paris, but that does not mean she will not participate in World Athletic Championship. She will not participate in Continental Tours and Diamond League. She will still keep running in World Athletic, Diamond League, and a lot of meetings that are happening. And this is actually a great news, because I have never seen a video where Shelly came out and said that okay, she is retiring. I think the only thing she said is she is going to stop. Paris Olympic is going to be her last Olympic. And I feel like that is actually a very good news for Shelly fans, because there is nothing good than seeing Shelly keeping on running in athletics. It is a very good news to us that are Shelly fan. And again, I think the reason why Shelly decided to quit running in Olympics, or probably make Paris Olympic 2024 her last Olympic, is definitely because these athletes don't even make much money from Olympic itself. I think the main event where athletes make money is probably the World Athletic Championship and Diamond League meetings and Continental Tours and other meetings. I think Olympic is just meant to make you more popular and give you the fame that you want. Okay, so I feel like that is the main reason why Shelly decided to make Paris Olympic her last Olympic. Let me know what you think in the comment section.